Hi guys, welcome to BABUJEE Academy from ALIZAI group of channels. Guys, today I am welcoming you with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is pollution. In today's video lecture we will study that what is pollution, what are pollutants, what are types of pollutants. So let me start. Pollution is any undesirable chemical, physical or biological change in natural environment is known as pollution. So doing any chemical, physical or biological change in natural environment is termed as pollution. Pollution is further divided into air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, etc. In the next videos we will study that what is water pollution, what is air pollution, what is noise pollution, etc. Now, what are pollutants? So, pollutants is any physical, chemical or biological factor which causes pollution is known as pollutants. So, those factors which causes pollution is known as pollutants. Now, pollutants are further divided into two categories, that is primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Now, what are primary pollutants? So, primary pollutants, those pollutants which are released into the environment directly as a result of human activities. So, the pollutants which are released to the environment as a result of human activities is termed as primary pollutants. Examples of primary pollutants is carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. Now, the second type is secondary pollutants. Now, what are secondary pollutants? So, those pollutants which are formed by the combination of two primary pollutants are called as secondary pollutants. So, when two primary pollutants combine it form a secondary pollutant, like when sulfur dioxide and water combine it form sulfuric acid. Now, remember that secondary pollutants cannot be emitted directly into the environment because we have already studied that when two primary pollutants combine it forms secondary pollutant. Now, let me summarize what we studied. We studied that pollution is any biological, chemical or physical change in natural environment. Now, pollutants are the factor which causes pollution are known as pollutants. Pollutants are further divided as primary pollutants, those pollutants which are released into the environment as a result of human activities. Secondary pollutants are those pollutants which when two primary pollutants combine and form secondary pollutant. Okay guys, it was our today video lecture about pollution, pollutants and types of pollutants. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button, and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video. Thank you.